Hi, this is Madro, an app I built for my family during this challenge. My wife, our 2 sons, and me. We were tired of MyFitnessPal and LifeSum, monthly fees, ads, paywalls, and they're bad at Danish food. So I built exactly what we need, and nothing we don't. It's a PWA in React and TanStack Start, running on Lovable Cloud with a Postgres database. And every row is protected per user with row-level security, so each of us only ever sees our own data. When you search a food, the app hits 3 sources. First, the Danish database, Frida from DTU. That's the foundation. Danish foods, Danish portions, reliable values. Then USDA's API for international foods, and Open Food Facts for barcodes. Technically, it checks the local Postgres first. If there's no good match, it calls the USDA or Open Food Facts API, and then caches the result back into the database, so the next lookup is instant. But here's the rule I never break. Wherever the food comes from, the app always uses its own verified values per 100 grams to do the math. No blind trust in external data. The feature that makes it stick in a busy family? Log a whole meal from one photo. But the AI never invents calories. Its only job is to be a translator. The image goes to a server function that calls a vision model, and the model just identifies the foods and estimates the grams. No API key ever lives in the front end. The app then matches each item against the food database and pulls the real, verified numbers from there. The AI reads the plate. The database does the math. Everything from a photo is automatically flagged as an estimate, and you can correct the grams before saving. Fast, but still honest. Adding a food is AI-assisted, but never AI-invented. Snap the product and its label, and it reads the nutrition declaration off the packaging. You confirm, then save. No label, like a soft serve on a trip? Describe it, and the AI turns that into a lookup in Open Food Facts, then USDA. Only if both come up empty does it estimate the numbers itself, badged as an estimate and approved before saving. The calorie budget isn't a guess either. I built in a proper metabolic calculator using the Harris-Benedict equation. It takes sex, age, weight, height, and activity level, calculates your BMR, then your total daily expenditure. Logged activities use standard MET values, and if you log a workout manually, the app subtracts it from the step-based burn, so you never get the calories counted twice. Strength is deeper. Build a template of exercises, sets, reps, and targets. Each session smart fills from your last set, then history, then target, leaving 2 and 3 to confirm. Bodyweight exercises leave the weight blank on purpose, and every working set gets a Brzezinski 1-rep max estimate, so progression shows without ever testing a max. It's relational in Postgres. Templates, sessions, sets. And it's age-aware. The app reads your birth date, so our sons are locked to a tracking-only mode. No deficit, no targets, just awareness, because they're still growing. There's also a built-in fasting timer for those of us doing 16/8. So that's Madro. Danish food data, 1 photo logging, real strength tracking and fasting, all in one app, built for my family in 3 days. No subscription, no ads. Thanks for watching.